So in this video we will be learning about femoral triangle. So firstly we will talk about what is the definition of a femoral triangle. So it is a triangular depression on the front of the thigh which starts immediately below the inguinal ligament. This structure which you can see is a structure of the anterior portion of the thigh. So this structure which you can see, this is ASI, that is anterior superior iliac spine. This structure which you can see is the iliac tubercle. This green color structure which you can see, which connects from ASIS to iliac tubercle, it is the inguinal ligament. So as I told you earlier, that inguinal ligament which I told you is a structure from where the femoral triangle starts. So as you can see that this structure which I have drawn is a sartorius muscle, and this structure which I have drawn is a adductor longus muscle. This sartorius muscle which you can see, it forms the lateral border of the femoral triangle, whereas this adductor longus muscle which you can see, it forms the medial border of the femoral triangle. And this ligament which I already told you that it is an inguinal ligament, it forms the base of the femoral triangle. So you can see that I have drawn three lines here. This blue color line which you can see, this is femoral vein. Now this red color line which you can see, this is a femoral artery, and this yellow color line which you can see, this is what? This is a femoral nerve. We have three boundaries in the femoral triangle. In the same way we have contents also three in number. What are they? That are femoral vein, femoral artery and femoral nerve. So till now whatever I have told you, I have written it in this short form. As you can see the boundaries and the contents. Boundaries which is laterally sartorius, medially adductor longus, mainly the medial border of both the muscles, and the base which is inguinal ligament. Now the contents also, as I told you earlier, what are the contents? Femoral artery, femoral vein and femoral nerve. Except for femoral nerve, femoral artery and femoral vein, these both structures are enclosed by a sheath called femoral sheath. Now we will study about femoral sheath in detail. You can see this is the structure of a femoral sheath. This femoral sheath is divided into three compartments. The first compartment is the lateral compartment. The center part which you can see, it is the intermediate compartment, and this side which you can see, it is the medial compartment. All these compartments of the femoral sheath are divided by a septa. What is septa? Septa is a wall or a membrane. You can see this yellow color structure which I have drawn, this line. This yellow color line which you can see, this is a genitofemoral nerve. The genitofemoral nerve further divides into two branches, that is the genital branch and the femoral branch. This femoral branch which you can see, this enters into the femoral triangle and it reaches near the femoral artery. This area which you can see is the area where lymph nodes are present. And what are the lymph nodes? These are the lymph nodes which are called as lymph node of Rosenmuller or lymph node of Clockett's. This area also contains some areolar tissues. As you can see, I have mentioned the compartments here. This is the lateral compartment, this is the intermediate, and this is the medial compartment. So in lateral compartment we have femoral artery and femoral branch of genitofemoral nerve. In intermediate compartment we have the femoral vein, and in the medial compartment we have the lymph node of Rosenmuller or Cloquet. This medial compartment is also known as the femoral canal. So whatever I have told you, it's all written here. So firstly what I told you, that femoral sheath is divided into three compartments by septa, that is the wall or a membrane. Now the lateral compartment contains what? The femoral artery and the femoral branch of genitofemoral nerve. In the intermediate compartment what we have? We have the femoral vein. The medial compartment is called the femoral canal. Femoral canal contains what? The lymph nodes of Cloquet or Rosenmuller, lymphatics, and small amount of, as I told you, the areolar tissues.